Welcome back to my channel. So today's look is a look that was promised. Today is Valentine's Day number 2. This is our look number 2. But before we get into today's look, I am going to be bringing to you guys one of my favorite at-home products right now. And this is perfect for Valentine's Day. And this is the Charisse Chappelle candles. This is a luxury line of candles, and oh my gosh, you guys, these candles are amazing. They smell, let me just tell you, these are some of the best smelling candles that I have ever tried. And I am a candle freak. I don't know about you, but I am a candle freak. So I met Charisse last year, around this time last year, March, and she owns a candle line. She's an interior designer, and honey, I got 4 of the candles. This particular one is in the scent or the fragrance Lush. Oh honey, I think this by far, except for Opulence, and I'm going to get into Opulence in a minute, but this by far is like my favorite scent. I'm from the islands, so this is like a guava scent. So it says mango guava. Honey, this smells so good. I burn this almost every single day, y'all, okay? So when you order the candles, they come beautifully wrapped. I mean, look at this. This is luxury, honey, at its finest. Let me see if I can get it to focus for you guys. The one that I have in my hand is Opulence. So look how beautifully wrapped they come. Beautifully tied with a bow on top. Honey, these candles are the bomb. So let me tell you guys about the Charisse Chappelle candles, okay? These candles are hand poured using only the finest quality products, okay? They have a proprietary soy blend wax, intoxicating fragrances, and 100% natural wicks. They are extremely long lasting and they're soot free. When I tell you these candles last, they last. And I burn them like, it says you're not supposed to burn it for more than 4 hours, but honey, I burn them all day long, okay? Especially with me being home now, I burn them all day long. And I just love to burn them at night when I turn my AC down really cold. Honey, oh, nothing like a clean home with a nice burning candle and just cold air. It's just a formula for amazing things to happen. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So if you like luxury candles, you have to give Charisse Chappelle a try. Trust me, you're gonna thank me later, okay? She sent me 4 candles: Velvet, Spa Day, Luxe, and Opulence. Now let me tell you guys what she said about Opulence. All right, so when I texted her to let her know that I got the candles, and I was like, oh my God, Opulence is my favorite. She texted me back. She said, that's my best seller and the baby making candle, not recommended for singles. I cracked up. Honey, when I tell you this candle will get you in the mood, honey, if you're single, don't buy it. Don't waste your time, because honey, if you ain't trying to get pregnant, don't buy it either, because that candle will put you in the mood for love, if you know what I mean. So you guys, check out Charisse Chappelle candles. Her website, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Also, I'm going to do a banner right here so you guys can check out her website. And moving on to this Valentine's Day look. Yeah, so today I decided to give you guys a very nice, beautiful, perfect Valentine's Day look. This is something that I would rock for Valentine's Day. So this is something that I'm probably going to do. Get dressed up, get on FaceTime for my boo because he's not here, and hey, rock out on Valentine's Day for FaceTime. However, this is the look that I wanted to bring you guys. It is very soft, yet it is perfect. Has the colors, it's glam, but it's not overly glam. And honey, the face is beat. Eyebrows are popping. Honey, highlight is snatched. Okay, and yeah, lip gloss is popping, boo. So yeah, I really love this look. I use the Desi Times Katie Francation palette. Their collab with Dose of Colors, and this look came out so good. I only used that palette on the eyes. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button for me so that you can be a part of the family. And also hit the notification bell, because if you like this video, you would want to be notified when I upload another one and you don't want to miss it. So go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be all in the party over here, honey. So yes, let's get this look popping. Let's get this look going. I hope you guys like it. I noticed that it matched my jacket. So honey, I had to whip the jacket out and show y'all what I'm working with. Yeah, I wish I had date night tonight though. I wish my boo was here so we could go out. But nonetheless, long distance for ya. Hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully we'll be seeing each other soon. But until then, let's get this look going. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, so let's jump straight into this look. I am going to prep my face using the Caudalie, the Beauty Elixir. Like I told you guys, this was actually, I think I said $20 in the other video. This was actually $18. So I am going to spray my face with this. Gonna add some hydration. So I'm gonna go in and pat this in. Just for that added hydration, because honey, your makeup does not look good if your skin isn't plump and hydrated. All right, so then we are going in with the Inglot Mattifying Under Eye Makeup Base. Like I said in one of my other videos, the key with this base is to press it into the skin. So I am going to press it in where my pores are pretty large and visible. So I'm pressing it into my T-zone area. All right, guys, so I did my brows off camera, so you know what that means. Brows off camera means Lachelle wants a snatched look. Let's go in. I am going to be using my Dior Star today in the color number 50. And I am going to be going in with my, this is Real Techniques Instapop face brush. And I am just going to begin to puff that into my skin. This is a full coverage foundation, but it is not matte. So it's gonna still give me some nice hydration. Still give me that flawless look, but still not super matte. One thing I love about this foundation is the coverage is so buildable. All right, so let's go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am going in with the color Truffle, and I am going to kind of sketch out my contour. And today I will be using the Huda Beauty. I am going to be using their the Overachiever concealer. Now I really like these concealers, so I'm going to be using two colors. I'm going to be using 22N, which is caramel corn, and 18N, which is granola. Alright, so now I'm going to spray some Max Fix Plus on the face just to keep that highlighter hydrated, because this is a matte highlighter and it will dry down quickly. So I'm going to spray some Fix Plus. Then I am going to go in with a setting brush by Real Techniques, and I am going to start pressing that into the skin. So this setting spray also helps to just help it helps the concealer to blend really well.
in the middle going on for sure. Hey, lose the rhythm with me, dance. Take it till you pick your pace. I'm just hanging with my friends. Oh hey, get your groove on, make.
Alright, now we are going to go in with 18N, which is the color granola, and we are just going to highlight just the inner eye area, just for a little bit of brightening, honey. Alright, do I even need to tell y'all what brush this is? If you watch my videos, you know what time it is with this brush. So I am going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Beauty. This is the setting powder. This is her Evolution powder. So I'm going to take the clean side of the setting brush, and I am going to just tap that into the face. Alright, so while my face sets with the setting powder, we are going to go in with our Friendcation palette. I have been meaning to do like a freaking video with this palette for the longest. Another tip, I waited until Black Friday to get this palette on sale. So instead of spending like $55, I think it was like $55, I was definitely not gonna spend $55 on a palette. So I waited, and I think I only got it, I think I got it for like 30 or 35, something like that, from the Dose of Colors website. So we are going to be using this color, this color, this color, this color, this color. So basically the 4 colors right here, as well as this color right here. And I may even go in with this color, this nice beautiful blue, under my waterline. So first and foremost, we are going to be starting off with Churro. We are going to be blending that into our crease. Now following up with Girl Bye, we are going to also add that into the crease. And then we are going to blend Girl Bye out. So we are going in with Cheens, and we are going to focus that in our outer corner, our outer V. So now I am going to go in with a little bit of the P. Louise number 4. This is the eyeshadow base, and I'm just going to blend it in my inner crease because I'm going to get ready to lay down that shimmer color. Just in the inner plot. I am going to take a clean blending brush, and I am just going to buff that. Alright, so now we are going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. I am going to spray this brush with some Fix Plus because I noticed that these 2 colors go on really nicely when the brush is wet. So we are going to go in with the color Try Me. Fish, try me, okay? Let's go in with some Try Me because I know how that feels when people be trying you. Ooh, yes, hunty. Try me today. I want you to try me today. Look at that. Ooh, gorgeous. So I'm just kind of pressing and lightly smudging it in. Then I am going to spray the brush again, this time the opposite side of the brush, with some Fix Plus, and then we are going to go in with the color Just a Kiss, which is this beautiful champagne color right here. And we are going to blend that right into Try Me. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs pencil in the color Black Hair. Now going in with a blue eyeliner in the color Mist, I am going to line my lower waterline. Going in with Fever by MAC, we are going to just add some blush. Going in with NARS Albatross, we are going to highlight. Alright, so let's finish up this look. We are going in with the color Spice from MAC. I am going to line my lips. So now I am going in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Driver. And following up with the color Loyalist, which is a nice pale, like a pinky nude. So going in with MAC's Fix Plus Pink, what is this, Pink Light? I don't even know. Pink Light, yes. Gonna shake it up. We are gonna set this beautiful look, honey. So we're gonna let this Fix Plus set into the face. Let me go put on my long hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so my long hair is in. Put on my nice jacket, honey. And yeah, this is the finished look. So if there's going to be a lot of kissing and smooching involved, wear matte lip. But if not, this is the MAC lip gloss in the color Lust. What a name. Honey, ain't no lust going on around here in this holy household. But we will apply the lip gloss. If there's not going to be a lot of smooching going on for Valentine's, pair it up with a nice gloss. I was looking for my Fenty gloss, but I cannot find it right now. I can't put my hand on it. So let's pair it up. Now this is cute. Alright guys, so here is the finale look. What do you guys think? Tell me. I wanted to do something very soft, very subtle, very glam still. Let me know what you think. Here are the eyes. I'm going to just do a little close-up for you to see. And yeah, I had so much fun doing this look. And to all of you watching this, happy Valentine's Day. And if you don't have anyone, honey, it is okay. Get dolled up, call your single girlfriends up, and you guys go out and have fun. You never know, you may snag you a man on Valentine's Day who's single, who's out with his boys having a drink. So don't stay inside. Get out, have fun. It's a day of love. Love yourself first. So treat yourself, have fun, make it a great one. And I'm gonna be alone on Valentine's Day too. Bae is not here, but hey, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get dressed, and I'm gonna get sexy for FaceTime. Hello. Keep it spicy. All right, guys. If you have not subscribed to this video, please go ahead and do so. If you made it to the end, might as well subscribe. Right? Alright guys, and until I see you guys again, have a great one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.